What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
Hey y'all, welcome back for another video. So it's kind of overcast today. There was a little bit of sun today. Didn't get much sun, but we did get a little bit, and so we had a little bit of photosynthesis going on, and we've got a little more growth. But we have a lot more growth since the last time I think y'all saw the garden. So I just wanted to show y'all real quick because tomorrow it's going to be another overcast day, I believe. I'm anxiously awaiting the sun to come and just shine on us for like 2-3 days at a time so that this stuff can really get going, you know. So let me turn y'all around and have y'all take a look at the garden, see who the new folk are. That's what I call them, my garden folk. Nobody has a name yet, but yeah, let me show you guys. Okay, I know you can see some greenery around. We've got some new pots. So first off, the sunflowers got big enough to be transplanted. So we moved them into their hopefully their forever homes. And we kind of covered them so that the birds don't get to them. Let's take a walk over there. See how they're doing. There's one doing so well. And the other one. And I learned this little trick, of course, on YouTube University. And it kind of acts like a greenhouse for them as well. So they're doing really well. So we have nothing yet in here, nothing yet for the peppers, nothing yet for the lavender and the zucchini. I kind of think I have to replant that lavender because I just have the seed starter on top, and I wasn't supposed to do that. I know I did a vlog where I said I was covering the seeds with the seed starter, but it really should be mixed into the soil. So I don't know if that's even gonna take. I may just go ahead and repot another lavender plant just to get it going. That zucchini, nothing is happening there yet either. Nothing is happening with apple. This is very new. This was just planted yesterday. This is, if you are following me on Instagram, you saw that I posted a cake for my husband and my anniversary. We had a 12-year anniversary, and the strawberries on that cake were humongous. So I decided to take some of the seeds and plant them myself to see if we can get anything from them, because they were big and they were sweet. So we're gonna try it and see what happens. So that's going. We do have something sprouting with our peppers. We have some growth here, we have some growth here, and I think there was somewhere else in here, but those are the two main ones that I'm seeing. Nothing in this strawberry setup just yet. We do have some action in the pepper here, the hot pepper. You see the green right there? There's green there. I think there's another stem right there. And I think that was it for that one. The bell mix, we also had some stems. I watered a little earlier, so you can't really see anything. They went back to sleep, and then the sun never came back out. So yeah, we need some sunlight. Over here, our zucchini is doing very well. Very strong zucchini there. Our black seeded Simpson lettuce, I think I'm gonna let this go. They're just not strong enough. This was like the original one of the seeds sets that I had started, so I think we're just gonna let that go. Here's another watermelon. It decided to grow on the side over there. There were others that were planted in here as well. I don't know if anything else is going to sprout from there, but that one is going. We have our gourmet lettuce, the mesclun. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but they started to sprout, and then spinach will be on this side. Hopefully that will start sprouting soon. Basil, nothing has sprouted. We have catgrass. Catgrass is coming up, as you can see. Nothing for our parsley yet, nothing for the spinach here, and nothing for the lettuce here just yet. Back there we have watermelon. Those are, well, that one right there is looking really, really good. Spinach is starting to come up with a little bit of sun that we had today. That sprouted just a little more. Here's another watermelon that I had planted from the original. These two are from the original plantings that I did before I actually started putting dates on them. I think these are actually a week before anything that you see is 4/7. So anything that does not have a date on it was a week before 4/7. So if they're not really growing, within like 15-20 days, we're gonna just start over. And like I said, that black seeded lettuce was part of the original, but it's not doing very well. All right, let's move on. Nothing yet in the cilantro and scallion. That's still relatively new. And back here, I did see some cilantro sprouting, but this was also from the original batch, so I don't know how well this is gonna do. These are new. These three are new. So this is the black seeded Simpson lettuce. Hopefully something will sprout from here. Is that a sprout right there? That looks like a sprout right there. So yeah, that might be going really soon. That might be coming up really soon. Now over to the other side, our corn, nothing has sprouted yet. Lemon, nothing has sprouted. We do have some collards. Super excited about that. Those are doing well, and so are our cucumbers, doing very well. Need some more sun. Okay, these are relatively new. Nothing there yet. What else? These are all new. You can see the dates on them. They're all pretty much around the same date. So nothing here just yet. We're waiting. And we did get some marigold sprouts just yesterday. So, and then this is another strawberry that I planted recently as well. So that is the mini garden, you guys. Yeah, we are just waiting for stuff to sprout. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the update on the garden. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next update. Not sure when that's going to be, but hopefully in the next couple of days, when we actually have some sunshine, or when some sun has actually already shined down on the folk for a day or so, and then I'll come back with, an update. So yeah. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more gardening videos and hair videos, because this is something new that I'm doing. But if you're liking this content, just let me know in the comment section down below. I love to hear from you all. And yeah, tips and tricks are welcome, of course. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, I will see y'all in the next video. Subscribe button is right down below, and hit the like button for me too, you guys. All right, bye.